Alright, welcome back to Hot Topics TV, y'all. Y'all already know if the topic is hot, we're on it. Yo, what was going on? I seen some person on a TV screen in a courtroom saying that YFN Lucci is supposed to be a witness for the prosecution in the RICO case against Young Thug, meaning that YFN Lucci would be taking a stand to testify against Young Thug. Now, geez, nowadays what I'm seeing is ain't no more 10 toes down in these streets. Ain't no more gang. Ain't no more gangster. We don't talk to the police. We handle our beef in the streets. None of that stuff. Before I go any further, man, I want every young person to understand that this is all smoke and mirrors. The days of being in a gang that is loyal and nobody flips on each other and we all ride, that's what war means, and all this other stuff, and if you get hit you take the time and you don't squeal on nobody else, those days are long gone and over with. Okay, everybody is on for a ride right now, and they are on for a glorious ride until the wheels start falling off that bus. When the wheels start falling off that bus, everybody will run and jump through the windows and the doors, trying to find a way to get to another ride that's moving because that ride has just stalled. I hope you get my analogy. Ain't no way in hell that YFN Lucci, as gangsta as he is supposed to be going to take the stand to testify against Young Thug. Now, mind you, YFN Lucci and Young Thug, they've been at it. And I'm talking about not only words have exchanged sides, gunshots have exchanged sides. People's mamas got shot behind this. Houses, personal addresses were shot up behind all this. So it ain't like it's a pitter-patter kind of play beef. This ain't no schoolyard beef. This is grown people beef. This is gang beef. This is out in the streets throwing gunshots at each other. I'ma kill you when I see you kind of beef. It's very real. Some people are saying, yo, YFN Lucci is in deep himself, and he might be able to give the prosecutors something on Young Thug in order to get himself out of serving all them years. But that ain't the way of the gangster. That's not how it's supposed to go down. Anyhow, information had just been released that YFN Lucci's lawyer reveals that the rapper's plan regarding Young Thug's RICO case. So YFN Lucci's lawyer's name is Drew Findling. He denies all the claims, suggesting that YFN Lucci will be testifying in Young Thug's upcoming trial. He told TMZ that his client never talked to prosecutors or law enforcement about anything regarding the YSL RICO case. My client never said anything to them about anything. YFN Lucci's lawyer spoke out after his client's name was mentioned in a courtroom clip that spread via social media on Thursday, December 29th. Any party, this is what his lawyer said. He says any party can announce, for example, that Abraham Lincoln is on their witness list. But those words alone are meaningless. Findling, the attorney, also said that, so to be 100% clear, let me put it to you like this. Rayshawn Bennett, who is YFN Lucci, will not be a witness in the YSL case. He's refusing to cooperate. They have approached him. He said, nope, I'm not fucking with y'all. I got my own shit going on. Y'all go take care of that over there, and you do what you got to do with that man. Now, let me tell you this. For YFN Lucci to say that, that's pretty deep. Because right now, Young Thug got people who he fed, people who he thought were loyal to him to the bone, people who he swear he could put his life on the line. They would not switch on him, and they did. And they have. and more of them are accepting plea deals and walking out of jail and will be testifying against him in days to come. But YFN Lucci is 10 toes down. He's saying, we gonna handle our shit in the streets, homie. Or we gonna handle it behind these penitentiary walls. But I'm not messing with no police. Because our beef ain't about no police. This between me and you. Now, you gotta understand, YFN Lucci, as far as we've heard through the wire, was stabbed up behind bars. They poked him up with a shank and put him in an infirmary. He was stabbed up pretty badly, right? Things are bad behind the walls for YFN Lucci. Come to find out, they said that Young Thug was the one that ordered him to be stabbed up behind bars. But check it. An accusation is just an accusation, right? Right. Until you have the person who actually did the stabbing come show up in court accepting a plea deal to testify against Young Thug, saying that Young Thug ordered YFN Lucci's stabbing from behind bars. And yes, Your Honor, I was the one that carried out the stabbing. I was the one that received the order. I was the one that carried out the stabbing. Sad, sad day, boy. So, like his lawyer said, any party can, for example, say that Abraham Lincoln, or you can say that George Bush is going to be a witness on our team, on our case. But those words, they're meaningless. So to be 100% clear, Rayshawn Bennett, YFN Lucci, will not be a witness in the YSL case. An attorney referred to YFN Lucci as a witness during a hearing in the YSL RICO case. A video of the comment circulated online, which led to speculations that he struck some kind of a plea deal with prosecutors to get out of his own legal issues. YFN Lucci is facing a whole lot of years, just like Thugger or Young Thug is. He's waiting. YFN Lucci is now waiting for his trial on multiple charges, including murder. But his lawyer said that his client, won't take the stand in Young Thug's RICO trial, despite being a long-standing beef between the two. His focus, as it should be, is on his pending Fulton County case. He will have to fight his way up out of that. Young Thug's trial, on the other hand, begins January of 2023, soon as the new year starts. He will be tried alongside 14 co-defendants who were named in the RICO indictment against YSL. 14. We started out at 26. We're down to 14. 56, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So somewhere about 11 people have already struck deals of their own to roll over on Young Thug in some kind of way. I don't care what they want to say, plead the fifth, whatever. You are about to tell. So that's what it is. Leave y'all comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one. I'll catch you on the next video. It's Hot Topics TV. Y'all already know if the topic is hot, we're on it. I'm out. Peace.